how to show or hide taps and touches in screen recordings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, from settings, scroll down. Then in here, tap on advanced features. After that, we go down and tap on screenshots and screen recordings. In here, scroll down. Then we tap on show taps and touches. Tap on the toggle button to show, or tap on it to hide taps and touches in your screen recordings. So here that I have turned it on, I can start a screen recording, and when I touch on the screen here, it will show where I touch. And if I stop the recording, and if I open it in my gallery, if I tap on play, you can see here it shows the touch on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.